Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go to irs.gov, and on here there's some new tabs here since the coronavirus has been a thing. But what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to come here to make a payment, and then from there you're going to scroll down to pay your taxes now. You can either do bank account or debit or credit card. It's better to do bank account just because the full amount goes toward it. With debit or credit card, they take like a percentage or whatever because the IRS doesn't get the full amount. So the best thing to do is just do bank account, and then read through all this. It's important. Make a payment. You're going to come to click make a payment. You can also do look up a payment if you made previous payments, but for now we're just going to do make a payment. And then from there, it's going to ask you information. It's going to ask the reason for payment. So there's a bunch of different things here. What you're looking for is this one, the estimated tax. So go ahead and click that, and then applies to these file types. You probably do one of these filing types. So you're just going to click on that, and then the tax period for payment is 2020. If this was before April 15th, I think this would give multiple years, but yeah, this is for the tax period, so you can go ahead and hit continue, and then it'll ask you to confirm. Make sure you want to make an estimated tax payment for your 1040 ES yada yada for tax year 2020. Is that correct? And then you'll say yep. And this is where you'll get into verifying your identity. So what you'll want to do now is you're going to want to grab a tax return from a previous year, and then it's going to ask the tax year for verification. You're going to come in here and pick whatever year it is that you grab that you're going to be using. Your filing status during that year. So married, filed jointly, your first name, your last name, confirm your last name, your social security number, confirm your social security number, and then your date of birth. Yada yada, street address, all this information, and then click this and then click continue, and then what that's going to do is it's going to then take you to a page, and it's going to ask you like, okay, what was your AGI, your adjusted gross income for the selected year, 2017. You'll just find that on your tax return. It should probably be on the first page even. And just put that information in. That's just verifying you against your social security number, making sure that it gets to your account that you're actually making the payment. And then yeah, you can just go in. You can tell them what you're paying, so you just go in and type, and you type whatever you want, $250, $350, $387, $45. Whatever it is that you decide you're paying, you can go in and say, this is what I'm paying. So yeah, fairly simple overall, pretty easy to get, but hope this has been helpful.